In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Smartsheet using the Create menu. If you're new to Smartsheet or need a quick refresher, this tutorial will be perfect for guiding you through the process step by step. Smartsheet is an incredibly versatile tool, primarily used for managing projects, tracking tasks, and organizing schedules, so having a handle on how to create your own sheets is an essential first step. To begin, we'll open the Smartsheet web application. Once you're in, direct your attention to either the top left or top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll find a button marked with a plus, or sometimes labeled as the Create button. This is your starting point for creating a new sheet and is quite prominent, ensuring ease of access every time you're ready to compile new data or start a fresh project. Once you've located this button, go ahead and give it a click. This action will present you with a small menu. From here, you'll want to select the option labeled Sheet. In some versions, or according to different Smartsheet settings, this might be referred to as Grid. Regardless of the label, this option sets you up with a blank canvas, ready to be tailored according to your specific project needs. Now, the next step is crucial for staying organized from the get-go, naming your sheet. As you are prompted to enter a name, choose a title that will clearly define its purpose or content. It might seem like a small detail, but a well-chosen name can serve as a quick reference point when you've created multiple sheets down the line. Once you've decided on a name that aptly captures the essence of your new sheet, click OK to finalize its creation. And there you have it. Your new sheet is ready for action. You've successfully initiated a fresh workspace within Smartsheet that can now be customized with columns, rows, and any functions you need. Remember, effective organization from the start can set the tone for your entire project, so take a moment to appreciate the clarity and simplicity that come from a clean, newly created sheet. That's all for today. You've now learned how to create your own Smartsheet, paving the way to more organized and efficient project management. Feel free to explore the other features Smartsheet has to offer to enhance how you manage your tasks and collaborate with your team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.